How to log into your Woolworths candidate ID. First, you will need to open your web browser. I have Google Chrome opened right here, and then go to the search bar and search for Woolworths login. Once you search for it, the first link is the one that you want to go in. Tap on this login and it will take you to the login portal right here. And from here you can enter your email address and your password. And if you want the website to remember your login info, just check this box. So once you do that, simply click on login. And if you've forgotten your password, just click here. It will send a reset link to your email, and from there you can reset your password. Or if you don't have an account, just click here to sign up. Enter your email address, create your password, enter all of your personal details, and you will be able to create a account here. And that's how you can easily log into your Woolworths using your email and password. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.